In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group call on Microsoft Teams for iPad. Whether you're organizing a quick stand-up or gathering classmates for a project, you'll learn how to start a group call from an existing chat in just a few taps. All you need is the Teams app on your iPad, a reliable internet connection, and the group conversation you want to call. First, open the Teams app on your iPad. Look for the purple icon with the letter T. If you haven't used Teams recently, give it a moment to load and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you ever notice things look a bit different, that's usually because of app updates, but the core steps are the same. Next, navigate to the Chat tab using the bottom menu. This tab is your hub for all one-on-one and group conversations. You'll be placing the call from within the chat itself, which is why starting in chat makes everything faster and simpler. Now find and select the existing group chat you want to call. You can scroll through your recent conversations or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the group by name or by a participant's name. Once you're in the right chat, take a quick glance at the participant list near the top of the screen so you know exactly who will be included in the call. When you're ready, look to the top right corner of the chat screen. Tap the video call button, which looks like a camera if you want a full video meeting, or choose the audio call button, which looks like a phone for a voice-only call. Either option will ring everyone in that group at the same time. If this is your first time calling from Teams on your iPad, you may see a system prompt asking for microphone and camera permissions. Tap Allow so others can hear and see you. You might also see a quick confirmation asking if you want to call everyone in that group. Confirm to proceed, the call will start, and each person in the chat will receive a notification to join. Once you're connected, use the on-screen controls to mute and unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, switch between front and rear cameras, and hang up when you're done. If someone misses the call, they can join from the chat later. If call quality is choppy, check your Wi-Fi or move closer to your router. And remember, placing the call from the group chat ensures the right people are included every time. That's it. Simple, quick, and reliable on iPad.